Hello, my dear viewers, my dear learners. How are you? Okay, fine. Thank you very much. I am also fine. My dear learners, in my past classes, I have gradually talked about punctuation and other grammars. Now, I am going to discuss one of the most important topics in English grammar, though it is so much easy, but one of the most important topics. If you practice these items, you can get a good number in your exam. My dear learners, I would like to discuss about capitalizations. About capitalization. That means where to use capital letters and where to use small letters. Okay, my dear learners, but before going to start my class, I would like to introduce myself. This is Taj Mahmood, assistant teacher English, Rabita Model High School, Rangamati. My dear learners, I hope you will be grateful and you will be able to clear your ideas where to use and how to use capitalization. I hope you will listen to me carefully and practice yourself more and more. Now, let's start our class capitalization. Rule number 1. My dear learners, rule number 1. Capitalize the first word of every sentence in English. Okay? Capitalize the first word of every sentence. Okay? That means when one sentence is ended, then you have to start another sentence and then you have to capitalize the first letter of the new sentence. Okay? Example, Masoom is a very good boy. He is 20 years old. He is very pious. Another example, the boys are playing in the field. They are making a noise in the class. My dear learners, in these examples, you can find there are lots of sentences, but you have to write the capital letters of every sentence, the first letter of every sentence. Okay? Masoom is a good boy. In this sentence, first letter Masoom. First word Masoom. You have to write the first letter of the first word. Okay? Capitalize. He is a good boy. It is a new sentence and you have to write the first letter of the word of a new sentence. He. In this case, is he. Is he. You have to write capital letter is. Okay? My dear learners, rule number 2. Capitalize the first letter of every line in English book. capitalize the first letter of every line in English poem. Okay. Example. Mary had a little lamb, 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 whose fleecy was white and snow. In this example, Mary had a little lamb, 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 whose fleecy was white and snow. In this case, there are 4 lines in a English poem. Okay. When you have to write English poem, you have to write capital letter of the every lines, the first word of every line. Okay. My dear learners, another example. The music in my heart I bore, long after it was heard no more. In this example, the music in my heart I bore, it was heard no more. There are 2 lines of a English poem. So we have to capitalize every word of every line. Okay, every sentence of a poem you have to capitalize. Rule number 3. Rule number 3, capitalize the first letter of every word of proper noun or proper adjective. Okay, capitalize the first letter of every word of proper noun or proper adjective. Example. I met Mr. Nurul Karim yesterday. In this example, Nurul Karim is a proper noun and you have to capitalize the first letter of every word. Mr. Nurul Karim. In this case, in this proper noun, there are 3 words. So you have to capitalize the first letter of that 3 words. Okay. We are Bangladeshi. I am from Bangladesh. In this case, Bangladeshi is proper adjective and Bangladesh is proper noun. So you have to capitalize the first letter of every word of proper noun or proper adjective. Rule number 4. Capitalize the first letter of the Creator Allah or any other name of Allah and its proper noun or its pronoun. Okay. You have to capitalize the first letter of the name of Allah and its pronoun. Okay. Example. May Allah help you. In this case, Allah, the first letter of the name of Allah, you have to capitalize. Okay. The old man prayed to God and he blessed him. In this case, the name of Allah, another name of Allah is God, is capitalized and he blessed him. And after pronoun he, after and the pronoun he is the substitute of God. So the pronoun of Allah or God, we have to capitalize. Okay. Rule number 5. Capitalize the pronoun I and interjection O. Always capitalize pronoun I and interjection O. Okay. Example, I am a teacher. I am going to school. What date I fear you not. In this example, I is a pronoun and interjection O is an interjection. Okay. So, in this case, pronoun I and interjection O is capitalized here. Always capitalize pronoun I and interjection O. Okay. Rule number 6. Capitalize the first letter of the name of day and month. But, my dear viewers or learners, do not capitalize the name of season. Do not capitalize the first letter of the name of season. Example, I met with him last Friday. This is the month of September. In this case, Friday and September is the name of day. Friday is the name of day and September is the month, is the name of month. Okay. So Friday and September is capitalized here. But do not capitalize the name of season. Example, the cuckoo sings in spring. In this example, spring is the name of a season, but it is not capitalized here. Okay. Thank you very much, my dear learners. This is the capitalization part 1. I hope you will be able to clear your ideas about capitalization, and in my next class I shall discuss the rest of the rules of capitalization. I hope you will be eager and you will wait for my next class about capitalization. Thank you very much.